Hi guys, today I want to talk about how you can get onion seeds from your onions. Usually what we do is when growing onions we order seeds and they look like this. We plant them in early spring and by the time summer hits you end up with onions like this with the greens on top, and then you can start the drying off process. For fresh eating, what we do is this is a next step where we chop off the tops and get this in the house and use them. And if you want to keep them longer, then you can tie a whole bunch of these together and leave them in a shaded place for a couple of weeks so that they get dry, and then you cut the tops off. What you see on the right is the last piece where you started from the seeds but you got onions. How do you get seeds if you consume the onion? So onions are biennials. What you need to do is in order to get seeds from them, take the already fully grown onions and put them in the ground, and what they would do is instead of growing an onion, they would grow a flowering stem. So that's what I've done here. So I went to a supermarket 5 months ago and got that big yellow onion, the one which is very sweet. Cut that in half and put the bottom part, this part, in the ground. And I was surprised to see today when I pulled this out that one half of the onion, the bottom half of the onion, has actually produced these two smaller onion heads, and it also produced these two flowers of onion. So these two flowering stalks are 4 feet tall, coming from that one onion I grew. And these flowers have these small pods which you see, and each one of these pods can ideally have 6 onion seeds, which would look like this. So I'm gonna give you a close-up and we'll open few of these pods up so that you can see how you can harvest those onion seeds. You can let it dry and they would just shake out. For the purposes of this video, I'll take a few pods and we'll get a close-up and get the seeds out. So here's a seed which I took out of the seed pod. There are 3 in each seed pod, and I dropped it essentially, but you can see there are 2 more in there. So each one of these seed pods, which this onion flower has a lot, has seeds like this which can be harvested. So if you zoom back out a little, that gives you a perspective how many seeds are there. So that's how you can get your onion seeds from an actual onion or a store-bought onion or the onion which you've actually grown. Plant them the second time around in the same season or the second year, and that's how you get seeds. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Thank you.